Hi traders and investors, welcome to the trading tutorial. My name is Tommy Yu and I'm the founder of this channel. I'm a trader and investor myself in forex and lately crypto with experience of more than 10 years now. This channel is created to help you guys to have a financial literacy for free. You can learn about stock, forex, crypto, technical and fundamental analysis, tools, etc. from this channel. So please consider to subscribe. You can start learning the topic you are interested in by checking on the playlist. But since the channel is new, so there might be not many videos in there, but we'll progressively create them. We also have Telegram group for trading signal in forex and crypto. You can join for free. Please contact our support team via Telegram at TTT_signal. So that's all for the introduction video, and don't forget to tap on the like and subscribe this channel. You can also contact me via DM Instagram at the trading tutorial. Thanks all, my name is Tommy Yu and have a great trading day, and I'll see you on my next video. Ciao!